Hey everyone, it's Mel and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome to the Ave. I post videos every Monday and Thursday, and in today's video I will be talking about protective styles for the winter time. Winter and summer are the best times to go ahead and wear your protective styles. So I'm going to talk to you guys about some protective styles that you can rock during the winter time to keep your naps, keep your natural hair in control and safe from this cold air. Okay, before we even get started, go ahead and hit that red subscribe button. If you are not subscribed to this channel already, be sure to hit that notification bell so you can be notified for whenever I upload a new video. Let's go. So one of the first hairstyles that you can rock during this winter season to keep the moisture under your hair is this bad boy right here. A wig. It's a wig, sis. This is not my real hair, even though it could probably pass as it, but a wig. A wig is definitely great to wear during the winter season to protect your ends, to protect your hair from being dry and brittle. This is one of the perfect things that you can rock, especially one you could just snatch right off your head, grease your scalp, and go to sleep. Are the best ones to have. I personally just wear a wig grip with my wigs and take them off at the end of the day, and it's one of the best feelings in the world when you take off your bra, your lashes, and your wig. Oh my god, bomb. Anyways, I'm getting off topic, but yeah, a wig is definitely a great way to preserve your hair and to not touch it, to leave it alone. All these protective styles are to leave your hair alone during the winter time because your hair is going to be easier to break because it's a lot drier and brittle because of the weather change. So like I said before, a wig is one of the ways to go. The next protective style that you can rock during the winter time to preserve your ends or to preserve your hair in general and to not touch your hair at all are mini twists or just twists in your hair. You can pin them up, you can put them in a ponytail. It doesn't really matter what you do, but try to tuck away your ends so you can preserve your ends because that is the oldest part of your hair. So yeah, mini twist or twist throughout your whole head. They don't have to be mini. They can be jumbo size. They can be medium size, whatever size twist you want, but just leave your hair alone for about 15 days, which is 2 weeks in a day. The next protective style that you can do is flat twist. I recently just recorded a video of how I wear my hair under my wigs, and I do not actually cornrow it. I flat twist because I can't cornrow with my nails, and I feel like it's harder for me to cornrow my own hair as opposed to cornrowing somebody else's hair. So I prefer to flat twist my hair underneath my wigs. I'll leave that video in the cards above. As you already know, the next one would be braids or cornrows. It doesn't really matter which one as long as you're not pulling out the perimeter of your hair, which is like your edges and your baby hairs and all that stuff. But I feel like braids is definitely a great protective style, whether it's box braids or cornrows. What else do we do these days? Marley twists, a ponytail braid, even though that's more of a summer look, but regardless to say, braids are a great protective style for the winter time to protect your hair and to just not touch it at all. So boom, ciao, ta-ta-ta. The next protective style that I love doing so much, which I realize I haven't done recently, is wearing a head wrap. I think wearing a head wrap is the way to go as well. You can leave your hair in braids or flat twists or cornrows, and then you can rock your head wrap. I love head wraps. I think they're an easy protective style, especially when you're on the go and you don't have time to go sit there and flat iron your wig or whatever the case may be. You can just slap on your head wrap and you're good to go. And I also have multiple videos on head wraps, so I'll also leave those videos in the cards above so that you can also protect your hair and be stylish at the same time during this winter. Our next protective hairstyle I haven't done in a while because I'm really focused on my edges, but if your edges are strong enough, I think crocheting is another great protective style for the winter time. Your hair is definitely tucked in, but you are still fashionable. You are still rocking some kinks if that's the type of crochet hair that you decide to get. But yeah, I believe that crochet is another protective style that works well. But you wanna, during the winter time, I think it's best to just leave your hair alone because of how much more prone it is to breaking off. So if you do Marley twists or Sunny-Glaze twists, braids, crochet, wear a wig, wear a head wrap, you are definitely good to go for this season. I think leaving your hair alone for at least 15 days is great. In the meantime, while your hair is in cornrows or braids or flat twist, make sure that you protect your hair with sealing your hair with oil or just misting it with leave-in conditioner or a conditioner water mix that you have laying around at home. You just want to make sure that your hair is moisturized while it is in these protective styles. I also have a LCO method video that I did here on my channel so you can know how to protect your hair during this cold season. I hope that this protective style guide was helpful. I feel like I have a few videos on each. I don't have a video on mini twists, but I do have a video on applying wigs to my hair. I do have a video on how I do flat twists. I think I have a video of how I braid my hair under wigs. If I do, I'll leave it in the description box or the cards above. Wearing head wraps, I have that all over my channel here. And I do have a crochet video that I will be sure to link in the description box so you guys can get some help and basically see what to do to be able to achieve these looks during this winter time. That is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If I missed out on any protective style, please be sure to comment them in the comment section below so that you can help your fellow peers on here on YouTube who have natural hair and who would like to protect their hair this winter. If you haven't subscribed already, I'm gonna wait a little bit to give you the time to hit the red button. It's a red button, it says subscribe on it, and then once you subscribe, a beautiful gray or black, I don't know what color it is depending on your display screen color, but there's a bell there. You just click the bell and I will be popping up on your feed whenever I post a new video. Okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, and until next time, peace. Gosh darn it. Got this thing all up on teeth. Yep, that's not. One of the so one of the first Marco, are you done talking? No, you don't. Okay. I said okay. Sorry. See, this is why I like to record when nobody's home, because then they don't have to go outside or they don't have to stop what they're already doing. Anyways, we gonna get there to where we have our own place, okay? We manifesting it, okay? We manifesting. Anywho, and that's why I refrained from getting braids and doing crochet, but this summer I am gonna get braids because I'm manifesting trips in the summertime, okay?